Hi, I'm Søren from JetWave, and I'd like to show you how to update the software of your JetWave eFoil. At JetWave there's no need for a desktop computer or a smartphone application to do any updates. We do it with a remote and its 4G connection to our server. Let me show you how to perform software updates. All you need is the fully assembled eFoil, including the battery and the remote control turned on, like I already did it here. Our remote control has integrated 4G connectivity, prepaid worldwide. This establishes a constant data exchange between the remote control and the server, and that's also how we update everything. So, first of all, check that you have a stable connection. Starting at the home screen of your remote control, swipe down once and press System Settings, then enter Network, and in the first line there you see the network status. If it is normal, you can keep on with the procedure of the update. If it shows no network, you have to connect to a local Wi-Fi, or if you have a smartphone, to a smartphone hotspot. Let me quickly show you how to do it, because we are already there. Go down here to Wi-Fi network, tap Not Connected, ensure that Wi-Fi network is enabled, and then you choose your hotspot or Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and then you are connected. Now that you have secured a proper network connection, swipe up until you reach the main menu, and here you see Software Update. It's already indicating that there's updates waiting there, so let's tap on it. And on the first page you see all the different devices that can be upgraded. If you swipe to the left, this is the update for the remote control operational system. So you also can check this if there's any upgrades available. If you want to perform the update, all you need to do is push Upgrade Now, and then everything else happens automatically. Couldn't be simpler. Like with any other device or software update, please note to not shut down any of the units during the update. Wait for it to be performed, and then you're ready to go out on the water.